You just ate an entire chicken parm. A whole chicken. Do you have any idea what you've done?
Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jacko, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
What's that, eh? Who did that? Who did that?
Fuck out of you.
Dude, if he fucking jumped, oh my. What the fuck are you doing?
I just don't understand. This is crazy to me.
You bag of dog food. Who got into the dog food?
Who ate the Hawaiian rolls?
Well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset?
What'd you do? Who did this?